Hello everyone. Today we are going to make boat. So first you have to take a A4 paper. So take the paper, place it on the ground and fold the paper into half. Okay? Fold the paper into half and make sure the paper folds properly. Give it a nice rub on the side so that it folds into two.
Right.
Mitra is doing it very well. Now, take the paper, look up. You can see it's again a rectangle. Keep it back. Hold on to the middle of the paper with your finger and take the corner and bring it down. And push it down. Fold it. Take the other side again. Bring it down. And fold it. Yeah. So Mitra can do her one now. So mommy is going to help Mitra. So fold it. And fold it. Okay. Now this looks like a house.
Yeah,
Isn't it? Yeah.
But it's not.
But it's not a house. But we are going to make what?
A boat. It's
Okay.
nearly ready.
So now you can see at the edges there is two
Mama,
papers.
I love the popping part.
Yeah. Now we have two edges, right? So take one and fold it like this. Okay. And turn the page to the other side and fold it like this. Now this looks like a hat,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Not ready.
Yeah, but not ready. Now turn the whole page upside down and then open it. Can you open it? Yes. Now just make sure you put all the edges inside so that we get a smooth side. Okay, mommy will do it for Mitra, okay? Now this side needs to go a little more further. Now perfect. Now this up here, this up here. Now and open this one.
And it's like a square now.
Yes, now it's like a,
Square with these rectangles on it.
yeah, now it's like a
Square.
square. Then, once it's a square, take the open edges, fold the open edge here again, and fold the other edge again.
Can you help me?
Of course, I will. So that it looks like a triangle. So mommy is going to help Mitra now. So fold it this way
Okay.
and fold it this way.
Now it's like a triangle hat.
Now it's like a triangle.
And it's like a triangle hat.
Yeah. So now
No.
what are we going to do? Now you can see one side which is opened.
Yeah.
Fold it again. Okay. And you can see the other edge is also open, right? Open it slowly.
And it's like a magic trick. Your boat is ready.
Now, what is this now? What is this?
A boat.
Now that's a boat. Will I open your one, Mitra?
Yeah. Okay, I can do it now.
Now, if you
Why did it came out perfect?
now I will open Mitra's one also.
Doom. Doom, 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 doom. Mummy's boat is going around. And
Now. Mitra's one is also ready. And that's the boat. Can you see the boat now?
Yeah.
Now the boat can move. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much.